Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I am going to be reviewing the Zable credit card. Let's take a look at what this card has to offer and if it's the right choice for you. This will be a quick video. So, the Zable credit card is designed to make managing your transactions simple. With the modern Zable app, you can easily track your spending and payment in all in one place. Through the app, you get full control of your account. You can manage your payments, track your spending, and even monitor your available credit and upcoming payments. One of the standard features of the Zable credit card is immediate access to a virtual card after approval. This means you can start shopping online right away without waiting for a physical card. When you receive your physical card, you can activate it easily through the app and gain access to your full credit limit after making an in-store purchase. Zable also makes it easy to set up autopay so you never have to worry about missing a payment. You'll also stay on top of your finances with zero stress. And and if you need help, Zable provides fast, friendly customer support through live chat and phone lines, ensuring you will speak to a real person every time. So before applying, you can check if you are pre-qualified. And the best part, it won't affect your credit score. So click on this link here to see if you are pre-qualified to get a Zable credit card. And this option is risk-free and also offers a great transparency with an easy to Zable also offers great transparency with an easy to navigate website and menu navigation section and more. And if you have any specific questions, their customer service is available during business hours, ready to assist you. So is the Zelle credit card worth it? With features like instant virtual card access, easy tracking, and get customer support, it's definitely worth considering if you're looking for a no hassle credit card experience. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.